all, my name is Chris, so welcome to my channel. In today's video we will focus on this.
So in this episode we will do the assembly of the rear bumper and also install it on the car. And here we have the part number for the chrome trim piece that goes on top. Here it will attach to the diffuser. Now we fit it in place, and here you use a clip. And then this piece goes here, but this piece you actually install on the car, and then you put the bumper in place. So here you actually can see what it looks like when the bumper clicks in place on the car. Here's the bracket for the exhaust pipe, and you use rivets and clips. Here you have clips, and here you have a rivet. Also here you have a rivet from underneath. Here the pipe is in place, and at the bottom here you have 2 screws on each side, and on the top you see the clips going in here, and also the clip on top. And now we remove the old bumper. First you take out these plastic rivets here, and then you just pop out the bumper from the plastic bracket. And then underneath you of course need to remove all the screws that holds it in place. And then just remove the bumper, and when it's removed you of course need to replace this one. It's not the same for the AMG bumper as for the old one, and it sits with the bolts like that. And here we install the new side bracket as I showed you earlier. So it's all done, and here we have a before and after comparison. And that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Until next time, see ya!